No, he's not hungry.
It's on.
I think he might want a fresh piece. If not, he's already full.
Probably.
Well, tell her since she got rid of that dog that she's supposed to give Danielle.
You're not gonna be able to eat the whole piece, Homer. Dad, this thing's retarded. He's trying to eat the whole piece.
You try to give him the little piece, instead he just goes for the piece.
He won't be able to eat the whole thing.
Deuce, get out of here.
Eat it, Homer.
You lift it up.
Oh, I'm proud of you, man.
Volunteering over there?
Yeah. Take some off. Take some
I
off.
walked over there to see her.
Let him rip it off. Just poke it. Let it rip it off.
Think you can eat all that, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna have to do
If
that.
they could eat a rat like that,
There he
he
goes.
could eat it.
Is he recording? Hey, turn on the light. Hey, turn on the light, yeah?
Hold this. Hold this.
Good, chow down. There you
That's
go.
all he does. Carlos was so drunk last night the dog peed on him. And I couldn't do it. I slapped. Sorry,
Kitchen.
Jake, don't repeat that. Okay. What's wrong with you, John?
Dang.
What was he doing?
I'm proud of him.
Look, I got chompers.
Why is his back all hard?
I think he's not
Still hungry, man? Oh, he's swallowing it. One more?
Let him swallow it.
Here. Here. Hungry?
I think he's done. That was a big piece.
Yeah.
That was like 3 crickets.
Still hungry, boy, or what?
Did you? Danielle's?
That
Get
was,
some more.
that was a lot of protein. A lot of protein.
Yeah,
For
she was
him.
just sitting there all bored. How's your brother? Did you get that job?
You not hungry anymore, or what?
I know he
Eat.
called me. He's like, Deb, I stopped smoking for like 4 or 5 days. I passed.
Here. There's still more, dude.
Deuce, get out of here.
I'm pretty sure Deuce is scaring him. Come on, eat more.
Here, hold this.
Yes, I had an interview at Sears last week, and then I had an interview
Alright, come on.
yesterday
If you're done.
at a finance company out in Nevada and Ladonia.